Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. On this video we're going to be taking out the tops of all of the benches as well as the remaining cabinets. I do get to some of the appliances as well. The fridge is not working, turns out, so that will be coming out either in this vid or the next, most likely the next, as well as the stove. Learned some things that we suspected, but we'll get more into that as the video progresses. In the meantime, enjoy teardown. Actually getting stuff out of this motorhome and getting it ready for a rebuild. Storage, like that was storage, but didn't use it. That's the box for the Jenny, but there's no Jenny in there. And looks like we've got a control panel. I don't know if you could charge cable or the Jenny cable, I don't know. Not sure right now. But all of this here is good plywood still. We will clean it, we'll bleach the crap out of it with all the mice that were in here. But there's nothing wrong with that wood. Not really, it's in good shape. So you can use that for patching or building or whatever. Most of the wood that is the frame back here also seems like it's just fine. Bit like some kind of spider. Hopefully nothing too pernicious. But yeah, there we go. I was curious. Looked at the carpet, wondered what the flooring composite was here, and we have carpet on top of carpet. Top of linoleum on top of floor. Yeah. Maybe I've been more than one renovation to this thing over the years. Yeah. That's crazy lightning. So much lightning. Shit. Hell, I get to see alpaca lips. Apparently. I think this is the most lightning I've seen consecutively ever. It just keeps going. Something. Full moon tonight. Super moon. Yeah, that's not a street light. Some crazy lightning. Hopefully we survive the apocalypse. Taking out the vent here for the range hood. Moving on to cabinets now. It really does feel good to be yanking out this stuff. Hope you guys enjoy it too.
buggers. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Should I be worried? There's a shit ton of lightning coming this way.
Well, apocalypse or no, we're gonna ride this project out to the end. So finally have the cabinets off. Now I can start taking out some of that wall paneling, and we can see just how bad it all really is. We already knew. You can see it from the outside, but it doesn't make it hurt any less to see something in such a poor shape, in such poor condition. So makes it easy to tear out and rebuild. We're in it for the long haul.
Well, no more cabinets. No more bench tops. Unfortunately, she's well and truly rotted. That is terrible. The last reno didn't really repair anything, they just covered things up and in some ways made it worse. Alright.